In this video, I am going to show you how we can use file command in Linux. So file command basically tell you what type of file you are using. So if I go to my home directory, there are some files and directories. So if I want to know which kind of file is this, so I can type the file command and then the name of the file. So this is a text file and its encoding is ASCII English text file. And you can also apply it to any directory. So it will show you this is a directory. And also we can find any kind of file using this command. For example, if I want to find an executable file that is in the bin directory, so it will tell us that it is a executable file. So in this way, you can identify file type in Linux. Thanks for watching.